Meaning of gallows humor.
Gallows humor.
Gallows humor.
Gallows humor.
Gallows humor. Gallows humor refers to a type of dark comedy that makes light of morbid or serious topics such as death, illness, crime, war, and tragedy. The term originates from the gallows, where prisoners were hanged in public, and the jokes they made prior to their execution. This type of humor is often used as a coping mechanism to deal with the stress and trauma of difficult situations. It may be considered offensive to some people and can be seen as a way to trivialize serious issues. However, it can also serve as a way to process emotions and find levity in otherwise challenging circumstances.